if you look into the current scenario of world, and his world is going, the last 2 years was really difficult for everybody. Ensuring for any employer to remain secure, number one, and the productive in the same time is one of the key thing which we have talked many of their customers. And one of the service which we want to especially want to talk about is virtual desktops, which is AWS workspaces, where we can imbibe these workspaces with all native security services we talked about based on the compliances. See, I'll talk about one of the customer where we actually created AWS workspaces and with the MAS guidelines. MAS is the monetary authority of Singapore guidelines, and based on we have created complete landing zones. Landing zones having the firewalls, the web application firewalls. We have all the monitorings around it, and we are giving access to our our employees from working from home. And this is going to be happen permanently, or I would say at least for hybrid mode, where sometimes you are coming to the office, sometimes you are working from home, and this is going forward with one of the new normal which we have seen. And based on the AWS, like I said, it is, and Eugene was iterating that the 203, the highest number of certification and the compliances and the controls are available on AWS to use it natively. And on top of it, whatever your current security thing where your team is very much flexible to use it, you can take it, whether it would be any SIM solution or any firewall, or you can leverage the VAPT assessments and which is based on the social engineering, the black hats, you can do that, right? So security is one of the important thing, but it will remain there, and you can leverage the security on the cloud in the best possible way, and on the PG model. Over to you, Eugene.
Yep, thanks, Saurabh. At AWS, I would say security is day zero job. We understand that security is very important for our customers. One of the things that we help with customers in terms of working remotely, like what Saurabh said, VDI environments, we do have our AWS workspaces to enable customers to work remotely and securely. It's one of our managed services products that we help to have a VDI solution for the customers. But of course, on top of that, when you migrate your workload to AWS, we do have native security features such as IAM, WAF, and also Guard Duty and Security Hub, and also including KMS. We do have a framework, what we call a cloud security framework, where it's part of our well-architected review to ensure that when customers move to the cloud, they are actually when they set up the environment, it's actually secure. So, but on top of that, we understand that customers are also familiar with the current security products that they use, the likes of Trend Micro and McAfee, etc., or even Palo Alto, etc. So we do help customers to protect their current investments, where we are able to bring your own license to run some of these security products on AWS. But of course, at AWS, like what I mentioned previously, we work with a lot of providers, a lot of software providers, independent software vendors, where their products are on our marketplace, where you can actually do a pay-as-you-go model for those products. And those products on marketplace, they also do have integrations with AWS. So one of the things when customers move to AWS, we'll do is a security check where, are they compliant to the are the environment well architected according to security. There's actually a checklist on our console, and then you can take a look at that to adjust and amend your security features accordingly to help you to build a secure environment on AWS.